money. I'm hungry than the polar bear. The world has got to know I'm here. They gon' get the bitch, wanna get the fucking up this atmosphere. My purpose here is finally clear. Grind till there's nothing left. Trying to get it right, but situations keep me going left. The best of me is yet to come. Next to me, I'm leaving none. Whipping out a pot and I won't stop until I leave them numb. I'm done with all the playing around. About to tote decay around. It's gonna be some shit for anybody who ain't laying down. I can't believe they asked for this. Getting in they ask for this. Dramaganza plus script, that's instantly a classic hit. You bastard, we done mastered this. To say not is blasphemous. You can find an ass to kiss, cause ain't nothing after this.
This is exclusive footage. We was at the Hot Block magazine. I didn't win not goddamn one award. I didn't even get nominated. They didn't even think about your boy. But guess what? This time next year, I will win. At least nominated. Especially for this.
Party time. Miss World.
Party time. Rip World. And I'm
clearly see it's all in my pores.
Get the model, dog.
I'm the weed to death if I can't swallow me a shit. But I'ma need some help.
Definitely got to get the model.
Fuck with me, if not no problem, I do it by myself. If ain't cocaine then run it high, supposed to go, make sure I leave a stain then. Won't you mark my words and just hit it up like the rain then. Drug through the mud and let your face take
Rips World. Haha. Had to get the model.
What paperwork you need to see? Oh my goodness, y'all ain't talking about cash. Let me make this brief. Y'all gon' give me mine. It's time to make this how it's supposed to be.
Yo. Oh, we on? Hey. What the fuck is really good with y'all out there, man? It's Rip. I want to welcome y'all to another edition of Rip World. This is my Cincinnati incursion. Feel me? Came back to the hood for my nigga B-Day. Go deep. So, I'm gonna need y'all to check me out. Having my breakfast with y'all.
Never had you seen a nigga living with such urgency. Doctored up my life, I call this a miracle surgery. Now money is my wife and that's the only bitch that's hurting me. The worth of me is limitless. Look how long I've been in this. Waiting on my shot so I can show what the business is. Certainly the coldest nigga. Fuck the winter time, I've been ready to eat. So I be damn if y'all don't give me mine.
Check that shit out, man. Hey, yo. Welcome to another installment of Rip's World. This one is just to show you niggas that we do gets it in. I'm in the lab, I'm drunk, I'm sipping Tang with that orange shit in it. I'm about to put a verse down for my nigga Ciara. Successive Death album coming soon.
Yeah.
You fucks better go get that.
Yeah.
You feel me? And it's exclusive footage and it's all real. You feel me? So y'all pay attention.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You ready?
Yeah. I feel you. Ayy, the hottest in the world, I came to make it clear. You better watch your girl, for she be standing here. Now that I got your ear, need you to focus in. Hey, this is our year, so here we go again. The R-I-double-P, right where that trouble be. Up in the hood, dog, where everything is ugly. That's why we smoke a weed, but it's still a struggle feed. If we don't make it, then somebody probably had to bleed. The money's what I need, cause I'll be busting moves. If you don't fuck with me, hey, y'all don't fuck with you. Hey, this is what I do, and I'ma never stop. I got a tight crew, and we all about that guap, and everybody fresh. You better keep it cool. You wanna act a mess, we gon' act a fool. You got that on your chest, we clocking tools. The wrong deuce to test, you better follow rules. You feel me? And that was just 16 bars for you niggas. You know what I mean? I know y'all ain't hear it, but
I feel you
heard them bars, nigga. That was just 16 bars for you niggas, man. This Rip's World, that's enough. Y'all may be excused, bitches.